Hi, boys and girls. Can you believe that this day is here? I really can't. It is your last official day of third grade. Summer is starting, and next year you guys are going to be fourth graders. I can't wait to see you guys in the hall. I know it'll take a little longer because of my little baby. Um, but I just want you to know that I've had an amazing year with all of you. You are all so sweet and so smart, and you work so hard, so well together. And I just can't tell you how incredibly proud I am that each of you were able to really step up and still continue to learn and push yourselves to grow and continue to maintain skills that you were taught during distance learning. It by far is not easy. I don't think I had my first online class until college, and you guys did everything online in third grade, and that's really amazing. And I'm so proud of you guys. And I hope that in some way you are still able to have fun. Um, I love you guys. I hope you have a terrific summer. And if you guys ever need anything, I'm here for you guys. Love you.